You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the order of operations. The final result is 54.45. Let's solve it step by step. Calculate the expression inside the parentheses. Calculate any addition or subtraction, from left to right. 3 plus 8 equals 11. Simplify exponents and square roots. 3 to the power of 2 equals 9. Calculate any addition or subtraction, from left to right. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 11 times 5 equals 55. 11 over 20 equals 0.55. Calculate any addition or subtraction, from left to right. 55 minus 0.55 equals 54.45. And so the final result is 54.45.